The Geotab Tachograph feature has three modules: RDL, Remote Download, TAC, Driving Times, and AFA, Advanced Analysis Data. In this video, we will cover the TAC module. The TAC module provides real-time information that improves driver productivity by helping to assign routes to drivers based on their available driving and resting times. The TAC module shows all information on daily, weekly or bi-weekly driving times, the next mandatory daily or weekly rest, and the pending compensations. It also provides useful tools and reports to speed up daily tasks, such as the justification of work hours, the control of accumulated activity hours, night time, daily distance driven, payroll calculation, work hours in other countries, and the confirmation of rest diets off duty, among other things. All the information shown in the TAC module is obtained in real time and will eventually be contrasted with the legal downloads. To access the module, click Tachograph in the menu. Click the drop-down menu at the top left to access the reports. The TAC module has 4 reports: Status, Activity Chart, Work Report, and Rests Report. The Status Report shows a graph with the driver's availability in real time, so we can see at a glance which driver is able to do a trip according to their available driving times and next resting hours. We can reorder the columns with one click to see which drivers are on duty, off duty, available, or required to take the mandatory weekly rest. If needed, we can also see other important details, such as last month's activity graph, by clicking the name of any driver. Click any of the icons to view important values, such as the number of extended driving times or reduced resting times. These icons are shown according to usual concepts like continuous driving, daily or weekly driving, or the fixed week. The activity chart shows the driver activity in a selected date range. On the left are the activity values for each day. The daily driving time is underlined, and if we click inside a block marked as daily driving time, we can see important information for that working day. In the chart, we can see the resting time accumulated between the end of the workday and the beginning of the next. The identified resting times are marked as daily or weekly. Compensations can be identified with a green check mark placed just at the end of the corresponding resting time. The work report controls the total hours of any driver's activity. There are other useful columns in addition to the driving, other work, availability, and resting columns, such as effective work, national or international work, kilometers driven as driver or co-pilot, and more. Columns can be added or hidden by clicking the Settings icon. The settings can also help us select the company's base country for the calculation of international hours or nighttime period. The Details option allows us to see a driver's daily accumulation, the vehicle or vehicles that were used, and the beginning and ending of the duty. This information is useful for new labour regulations. The Rest Report summarises rest periods taken by the driver for a given date range, its duration, and the associated vehicle. Legally, the default minimum rest time considered daily rest is 7 hours. The report helps us to identify the minimum rest time. We can also differentiate between daily rest and weekly rest. The report, like other reports, can be printed, saved as a PDF, and exported as an Excel file.